Yo, me hear only dance a thing in him song. And when I listen to it, I'm start free.
Turban, I hope your man can't save you. Tie up your turban, I like you, so keep your dealings.
Yeah, man, so. Remember, start pray on me and say, yo, you know, say me that nice streets when I hear a little thing one time. Say, yo, la boss, guzu up, Jahmiel. So it left my back, yo, really make back and say, yo, you are going. The time frame when Jahmiel the day na probably, man, one bag of thing did I reach him. At the time when Alkaline and the system did a clash, and Jahmiel get involved, and right after that, Jahmiel also go downhill. Be a thing start reach him. Wake up all time, sleep and a ball out, hallelujah, Jesus Christ. Laksa drop out. All type of thing did I reach the dog me here. And me say, yo, from the time it happened, I hear one name did I call. I never hear the MVP. I just Labas name me did I hear a call. So I left me for question and say, yo, you are going. The man them really are working over, man. Me really want to know. Cause this kind of puzzling to my brain. Cause you know, say, me I listen to the truth and me I say, yo, you know, say one time I did a hear a thing. Word on the street, it's alleged. Say Labas said, obeah, Jahmiel, got bought for Jahmiel. So, I don't know how true it be. I not go say, yo, I saw it go or whatever, but it's a coincidence. You know, say right after the man and yeah, clash. 1 month later, the dog just start go downhill. And you known for doing them kind of thing there. I don't know, bro. But this year are the key points and me just a dissect certain little thing where a lot of people are missing, see me? So we have to just bring it to the light. So this is the Ugly Truth Podcast. I'm your host, Pillow Talk. Like, comment, share. You know what I mean? Say, Molly done not going to have a problem after the clash. I just wondering.
If I expect good from the evil, surround myself with the wrong people. Yeah, them we kill left for no reason. All me do is bring forth my fruits in my due season. You know what them do to me? Them put things in my food. Somebody close to me put a fax me I tell you, no, me not go call no name, you know. But people put things in my food to try and mash me up.
You are being poisoned.
Poison. People are close to me poison me.
How do you know? How do you know you are being poisoned?
I pass out things when nothing in a human being. I pass out that.
What would the motivation have been to do something like that to you?
Greatness. And what you know, no? You have people who have things, you know. I don't want to see you have things, you know. And that just mess up.
So I'm going back now to the point where you're about to become baptized. Were you going through a spiritual crisis at that point?
Yo, me I run up and down like a headless chicken. Me got a doctor for my stomach. Them give me pill, me I take pill for months. Me stay so bam now, we got a revivalist church. That no work neither. We stay so bam now. Where else we go? Psychiatrist. I take too much pill, that now work. Me can't sleep.
When you say pills, you were on antidepressants?
Yeah, we take that, we take pill for gastric. We take all kind of pills, man. And that now work, brother. That now work, me I wonder what. Yo, you think a joke thing for see my family, my entire family in front of me and cry because them can't help me. Shout out to my mother we say, John, come here and say, oh, mommy, just make me dead in peace, not make me die in peace. And my mother said, no, you're not dead. Speak life, speak life. I literally feel my breath left my body. Literally feel my breath left. I don't know what kind of feeling that, brother. How them walk the voodoo, certain aisle, where them put in your food. See, cause certain things we can pick you up. It's so serious still, brother. One night time I can't even post on Instagram. I can't put, once I put a picture on Instagram, I feel sick. If I go in a studio for record music, I feel sick. See, I'm set so bam now and go on a spiritual journey for 7 days. And I get delivered from that. I know you